If you are wondering if you can use two physical SIM cards and a memory card at the same time on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. So there are countries or regions where you have dual SIM available, and there are countries where unfortunately you can only use one SIM. But no matter if you have dual SIM, if you can use two physical SIM cards or just one, you still cannot use the microSD card. So it doesn't matter which country you live in, from which country you get the phone, you will never be able to actually put the microSD card into the SIM tray. There is no way to do so. If you take a look at the size comparison, then you will notice that the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is definitely no way to use it. So while it is sometimes possible to use two SIM cards in some countries, unfortunately you cannot use both SIMs and a memory card at the same time. In fact, the phone does not support memory card usage at all. I mean, if you want to put it into the SIM tray, it is not possible to do so. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.